What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm doing y'all a little vlog. Disregard the ash on my hands because I wash my hands a million times a day. We go through this every time. But anyway, y'all, before we get into the vlog, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all, today my lip is so tight. But anyway, we are going to pick up a package for baby. And I think I'm going to go in a few stores. And I might even go see mama. I don't know if she's working today or not, but I may go see mama. And yeah, y'all, I got some real exciting news. I hope this is coming across good because, y'all, I'm in the driveway, if y'all can't tell. Y'all know I gotta have me some water all the time. And then I have my Qui Nichelle cup. Y'all know I told y'all I chose pink, so gotta have that, which also has water in it. And y'all, I want to go ahead and show y'all the newest thing that I want to add to the Qui Nichelle brand and bring to y'all and everything. That y'all, I have my stuff in a good old sandwich bag because while I am out, and I may get like a little case for this, like a makeup case, like to keep in the car. But I just got my products like maybe a couple of days ago. So I'm going to probably give me a makeup case as well. Y'all, I have Qui Nichelle Cosmetics now, y'all. I'm so excited. Y'all, let me show y'all. This right here is a lip gloss. And I'm going to show it to y'all. And it is a pretty pink color. And you can tell it has Qui Nichelle on it in black. The tube is all clear. Looks like glass, honey. Real cute. Love the packaging on this. Does come with what's all in it. My name, of course, on the box. So yeah, very cute. And then the name of the actual color on the box. So y'all, I'm so excited to introduce y'all to my cosmetics line. Y'all know I love lip gloss, lip oil, eyeliner, lip liner. Y'all know I love that. I may incorporate more makeup. I don't really wear foundation like that. I do wear concealer, like when I do my eyebrows and really like do them. So I may incorporate that. I really don't care for foundation, but I may get one for the people that love to wear full face. Of course, I will have to test it out to make sure, because y'all, it took me a long time to really go with the company that I went to have my products done. So yeah. So now I'm going to show y'all another one. Of course, this is how the box will come. This is a clear gloss. Y'all know everybody loves a clear gloss. So yeah, love the packaging. So freaking cute, y'all. And this one is called Dream Bubble. So very clear and dreamy. That's another of the same. I wanted to bring a couple of each one because some people love, you know, like the same. And while I'm out, honey, I'm going to be networking. Also, y'all, I have to give me some new business cards because my business cards don't have anything about me doing cosmetics or anything. So, yeah. This one is another lip gloss. And I'm trying not to tear up the box so people won't think I used it or something. This is a red gloss. And I would say this is more of a lip stain because it didn't really come off as quick as a lip gloss. So this is something that I would say would be long lasting. You want to put this on, let it dry, and then put like an oil on top of it maybe, or a clear gloss or something if you wanted it to shine. But this is really cute. love the color red. It's like a deep red, really pretty. And y'all, I got colors that I don't really wear, like red. Y'all never see me wear red, but people like red. So I got, you know, a couple of colors that, you know, that I wouldn't necessarily wear, but people may wear. Y'all, I have my Qui Nichelle eyeliner. Again, comes with the ingredients on the box and everything. And y'all, this is very good, and it is waterproof. I have it on right now. I'm trying to open the box because I don't want to. Oh, I can show y'all mine so I don't rip the box, because people like to get their packaging pretty. So I'm gonna show y'all. This is the eyeliner. Really, really pretty. It comes with this, you know, like felt pencil tip, which is my favorite side. But I also got one where you could do like a winged eye or something like that. I hope y'all can see that. So you can kind of stamp the corners if you wanted to do like a cat eye or something like that. I thought that would be really cute. I like a good cat eye. I just haven't perfected it, but I'm sure I will with this. And then y'all, of course, we have our lip liner. And y'all, this is a deep brown. And y'all can tell I used it. And then this is black, of course. The eyeliner is black. I don't wear any other color eyeliners. Again, with I don't know if I will branch off into, oh, these are mine. I don't know if I will branch off into more like eyeliners and things like that, lip liners and stuff. But for right now, I started with what I wear. A lot of y'all asked me about like my lip gloss and stuff like that. So I said, okay, y'all know I love honey, my lip gloss, lip oil, and I'm into lip liners now. Really, really pretty. But y'all, I have a couple of those. So while I'm out, if somebody wants some honey, and y'all, these of course will be on my website as well. They will be active on the website by the time you all get this video. So go shop, and very, very affordable, very reasonable, y'all. So let me get to the lip oils. We have an argan oil lip oil, and we have pink. And I'm going to show y'all these. And also these show you how to apply, show you the ingredients. Very, very cute. And then the lip oils are black and clear. Really cute, and y'all can tell it's like a little hint of like a brownish kind of yellow tint. This is the argan oil. Very cute. And it smells good, y'all. These actually smell really good as well. I wanted it to be as girly as possible. I know girls love fruity and, you know, all of that stuff. So, yes. This is the pink. As you can tell, it's just a slight little pink. It will come across clear with just a little hint of pink. And this one is literally called pink. So, I love that. I got a lot of lip oils, y'all, because I know people love lip oils now. And y'all know I wear lip oil, I would say a good 60% of the time. And then a good, 40% I wear lip gloss. So now we have Mercury, which is one of my favorites. Literally, I've already used one of these up. Y'all can tell, honey, that is pink. Pink is like my go-to for any kind of lip gloss or lip oil, to be honest. And that was Mercury. And we have pomegranate. Again, a red tint. I don't wear red, but people like red, so I try to be a little bit, you know, versatile. And we have Pink Me. Now this one I know the girls may love. I used to like glitter when I was younger. I haven't worn glitter as much as an adult, but still really, really girly. I hope y'all can see like the glitter in that. And this is Pink Me. Very cute, very into self. Then we have blueberry. I got blueberry because it's blue and it was pretty and people like blue. So yeah. And it smells so good, y'all. Smells so good. And we got a couple of more. Okay, we got strawberry and pros. Very, very pink. Very, very girly. And y'all, this is very pink on as well. Very pretty. Does have a little bit of glitter, but not a lot. Love me a good pink lip. If I could find a picture, y'all, where I used to wear pink all the time, I would show y'all. I used to wear lipstick and stuff like that all the time when I was younger. I would say in my 20s, not like a young girl. But y'all know I'm in my 30s and I'm kind of just chill these days. This is strawberry. Definitely have already used a strawberry up. Because I did get samples before I put in like a large order, letting them know what I wanted and how I wanted it to smell and, you know, feel on the lips and all of that. I did test some of these out before now. So, definitely have used a strawberry lip oil up. Like I'm scraping the sides of it. So, definitely a go-to, definitely a favorite. This is a lip gloss, which is very, very pretty. And what I have on right now, Peach Me. Very peachy, honey. Really, really cute. And y'all, that doesn't go on like that pink. I have it on right now with like a lip oil on top. So it's not like really, really bold, but I really, really like that. Y'all know I like, you know, clear, sheer, little hint of a color. I think I'm gonna start being more bold. I'm gonna put a couple pictures of y'all if I can find. Okay, and this one is Bird of Paradise, clear gloss. Oh, this is a lip oil, clear lip oil. So y'all know that's a winner. And let me see if I have given you all of the colors, because some of these y'all have double because people might want the same thing. So I brought a couple of the same, and I think that is it, y'all. And I had these in here so neat. But y'all, these all of these will be on the website. Everything will be affordable. Everything feels really good on the lip. Love the eyeliner and the lip liner for sure. And y'all know you also can use the lip liner as like an eyebrow pencil or anything like that. You don't only have to use it for your lips. Because I know when I used to go to the hair store to get liners and stuff, I didn't care if it said lip liner or eyeliner. I would use it for either or, and it would still work the same. So you definitely can fill in your eyebrows with the lip liner and vice versa. But y'all, this is my little carry-on. I am going to get a cute little makeup case today to put these in. This will be my first day out, like, and about promoting my cosmetics and selling them, y'all. I also have a couple of my cups on hand, and I'm actually thirsty. Get y'all cups, y'all. Get your cosmetics and all of that, honey. Y'all see the sun kind of beaming. But y'all, we finna go ahead and pick up baby's package and go into a couple of stores and see what we can see today. I will see y'all in the store.